My name is Beth. My business is Bakery on State. I've been in this business since 1985 and I purchased it solely in 2007. The products that my bakery makes are basically everything. The buns, the sweet rolls, the cakes, cookies, bars. But I would say what we are really known for is our Sheboygan style hard rolls. And I service many accounts around here with that. My favorite thing to make, I would say, would be more like create, because I do the cake decorating and I love when I put all my heart and soul into a cake, which is usually every one. And then when the customer comes to pick it up, they're just wowed. I like to do that, the wow factor. That's very rewarding to me, especially, all the hours I put in. And when people appreciate it and they show you, that just makes my day. What I love about owning the bakery is, despite all the really long hours, is the customer interaction. And I really take joy into when I have a customer come in the morning, I'm already up 4 hours or whatever, and they come in first thing in the morning, usually grumpy, not really say too much. I really take pride in, getting them going and smiling and getting them the start of their day on a good start. Another thing that I get so excited about in the bakery is when I get a new customer, and I try to usually ask if they've been here before if I don't recognize them. And when they say they weren't, I get so excited and I want to ring a bell, and I want it to be a big bell. So I got this gong, and when I ring it, the customer gets all excited and it's a big conversation piece, so it's a lot of fun. I would say my favorite part of working with Valley is the customer service. Kieran, my baker, and I were just talking about how great the service is, and even if I have questions about a product not turning out or something we're doing on our end with our doughs, why is this not working out all of a sudden, and there's always someone that can help me, or they're willing to help me, and I love that. And the great service I get from ordering, and it just makes my job a lot easier. I know I can count on them for anything.